Welcome to the Bijoux-NYC direct exclusive viewing of the Princess Cut Diamond Bridal Set. This breathtaking set features 1.5 carats of natural brilliance, crafted in 14K white gold. The set is designed to belong together. It features a classic 5-stone engagement ring that commands attention, and a matching band that nests flawlessly beneath the centerpiece. The complete set offers a seamless, continuous band of diamond sparkle, with zero gaps or rubbing. The set includes the anchor, a bold 0.50 carat natural princess cut diamond, and the horizon, 1.00 carat of perfectly matched side diamonds. In total, the set contains 1.50 total carats across 11 natural untreated diamonds, delivering edge-to-edge brilliance. The shared prong setting, or open architecture, minimizes metal between each stone, leaving the sides open. This allows ambient light to flood into the diamonds from all angles, resulting in a brighter, more explosive sparkle that commands attention from across the room. Experience an icy, flawless finish with 14K solid gold for durability and luxury. The set is rhodium-plated, ensuring a bright, mirror-like white finish. The cool-toned metal visually amplifies the icy white sparkle of the HI Color natural diamonds. The 20mm width across the stones provides an undeniable presence and immense, finger coverage. This 5-stone design offers the visual impact of a much larger single stone, as shown in comparison to US coins. This 14K white gold set is meant to be worn, lived in, and loved. The low, balanced profile ensures it feels natural and comfortable, while looking stunning, making it perfect for your everyday breathtaking moment. To find your perfect fit, follow 3 steps. First, measure at night since fingers swell during the day. Second, account for the stack, as the set will feel slightly tighter than a single thin ring. Third, when in doubt, size up to ensure all-day comfort. The most common sizing is women's US 6 to 6.5. The Bijoux promise guarantees uncompromising quality. Our diamonds are 100% natural and ethically sourced from the NYC Diamond District. We offer a risk-free 30-day return window and secure, fully tracked US shipping with signature delivery. Your perfect match is waiting.